So, ito yung product ng BLK ngayon. This is Toast. And this is the product that they have. Look at the shade. It's brown. But the brown is not so light. It's medium brown for me. At ito yung shade. Ito yung packaging or yung case ng foundation niya. So, ayan yung mirror. Ito yung lalagyan to ng sponge or pagkatapos, ito yung this is from BLK Cosmetics. So, this is their foundation Toast. So, nakalagay dito Toast Airy Matte Cushion Foundation. So, ayan yung product ng BLK ngayon. So, meron silang mga